Want to be mortgage-free faster? Here are my top 5 tips to be mortgage-free faster. Nate Atkin here, back from Hummingbird Mortgages, here to teach you all about the things they didn't teach us in school that we wish they did about money and mortgages and all that good stuff. Let's look at number 1 for mortgage-free faster. Number 1 is going to be bi-weekly accelerated payments. Yes, not everybody understands exactly what this is. Let me explain to you. Bi-weekly accelerated payments is having you pay your payments bi-weekly. It's a little bit more than you would on a regular bi-weekly payment, so that there's a touch of a top up there. So what it does is it has you pay one full mortgage payment per year than you otherwise would. And yes, that does add up big time. It helps you become mortgage free faster. Bi-weekly accelerated payments, number 1. Number 2 is going to be lump sum payments. Yes, annual lump sum payments. Some people get a bonus, get commissions, get all these sorts of things, or have a little bit of extra cash laying around that you can use, tax refund or what have you, to go ahead and dump into your mortgage. So what is a lump sum? A lump sum is exactly what it sounds like. Now, different banks have different allowance amounts. So you may only be able to do 10%, 15% max with certain big banks. But if we set you up with a lender that allows you to put even more down, 20% or more lump sum, you could really take advantage of this and get mortgage free faster. Make sure you talk to your broker in advance and get the lump sum payment set up if that's what you want. Number 3 is what I call round up payments. It's a little bit of a hidden secret, a hidden gem. People overlook it and don't think about it. But let's say, for example, your monthly payment is $1,783 a month. Well, you could just make it $1,800 or $1,850 or $1,900, whatever you're comfortable with. But you round that up a little bit. And just by doing that tiny little amount, you don't really notice it, but you chip away at that mortgage faster. And you'd be surprised how much principal that you can pay down, because that's going straight to principal, that extra amount. So again, round up payments, number 3, give it a shot. Number 4 is going to be refinance into a lower rate. Yes, and of course, it all depends on where rates are. It depends on when you watch this video. Right now, for example, rates are lower than where they were when a lot of people signed in right now into their mortgage term. So if you're sitting in a term high 5s, low 6s, and that's where your interest rate is, right now, you know, we're closer to high 3s or 4%. So you can refinance into a lower interest rate. And of course, it's going to free up your cash flow, allowing you to put more money into your principal and shorten your amortization period. So yes, refinance to a lower rate. Always ask your broker to get you information on how you can do that. Number 5 is a little bit of a secret that not everybody is in the position to do, but when you get there, you can, and that's this. Keep paying your mortgage payments even after it's gone. What does that mean? Well, what I mean by that is this. You built the habit over the years. You've been paying rent for folks who finally got into home ownership, and for folks who own a home, you are paying down that mortgage each month. Well, when eventually you become mortgage free, what you do is you keep paying it down. What that means is you keep putting that money, but you redirect it into investments. That's how you build wealth. Make sure that you keep that habit of depositing money. Just redirect that into investments, and that's building wealth over time. So here's the thing. People often hear me talk about different ways to use equity. Yes, getting mortgage free faster allows you to have that equity spread, that you can use that equity in your home to invest in other things to expedite your wealth. Now you know. So if you want to be mortgage free faster, or you want a custom plan, you want us to review your mortgage, see what we can help you to do, how we can strategize, let me know, hit me up, send me a message. We'll connect on a call, see exactly where you are now, or when you're renewing or buying a property, make sure that we set you up with the right product right at the beginning so you can be mortgage free faster. Now you know.